There's about 36 million businesses in America. 8 out of 10 of them are one person, the owner, doing it all. And almost every single one of those owners are sitting on the wrong side of the table. If that's you, give me a couple of minutes to explain something. Because where you sit at the table is the difference between a business that runs you and you running your business. Look, my name is Antonio Cook. People call me Mr. Mogul Maker. I'm not a guru, and I'm not selling you a dream. I'm a New York Times bestselling co-author of The Freedom Rider Diary, the book they made a movie about. I've been an entrepreneur, a public speaker, a real estate investor, and I spent the last decade teaching business owners the one thing nobody taught me: how money actually works. I've been broke, incarcerated twice, so I'm not teaching this from a textbook. I'm teaching from the grind of being there and doing that too. I built Mogul Maker Academy for one reason: to put the playbook in the hands of the people that honestly were never supposed to see it. And here's what nobody's really explaining. At every financial table, there's 2 seats. The borrower seat, where you ask, qualify, you sign personally, and you pray. And then there's the banker seat, where the business stands on its own and the money comes to you, full control. Most owners spend a lifetime in the borrower seat, not because they're not smart, not because they don't work hard, but because nobody ever taught them the other side. Now check, according to the Small Business Credit Survey by the Federal Reserve, 45% of small businesses applied for financing last year, the highest rate since 2021. And check this, less than half got the full amount they asked for. And the number one reason lender said no, not because of personal credit. The business's financials. Look, you've been studying the wrong test. So inside of the Mogul Maker Academy, I teach one framework, 3 steps. I call it 3M. Make, how to bring in real money without doing all the crazy stuff. Manage, how to hold it, structure it, and make it count, because money follows management, not your hustle. Then multiply, how to make money work for you instead of the other way around. That's my borrower to banker journey. That's the move from one side to the other. And it's what I teach in plain English, week after week. So now that you know me, you have a choice. The community is free to join. No catch, no card. Just come learn the game. Workshop Wednesdays is where the real gems are given by myself and our other coaches. You're invited the moment you're in, and get caught up on all the replays too. We've been doing this a little while. Remember, money follows management, and I'll see you on the other side.